Most schools will not teach your children how to save money. They usually learn it from the culture they are growing in, right? And as parents, you would not want to fling your children in the ocean and hope that they will figure out on how to swim, because they might just drown. Responsible parents take it upon themselves when it comes to teaching their children money lessons. But most parents who wish to educate their children financially don't know how to go about it. And this video in that case is just for you. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from ClearTax, and let's move ahead with the how part of making your children smart with money. So let's begin.
And teach them the importance of savings. Do this activity. Give your child a few currency notes and 2 jars. Label one of them as save and the other one as spend. Now explain to your child the meaning of these words. Then ask him or her to put in the currency notes in any of the jars he or she wishes to. Observe what your child does. After a choice has been made, ask your child why they chose that particular option. If the child has not chosen the save option, explain to them why its saving is important. Post this activity, give your child a piggy bank and ask him or her to regularly put into it all the money that he or she will receive in future from you or your relatives. And when they hit a savings goal, give them a reward. This will encourage them to save more. Number 2, don't give in to every demand. When your child asks you to buy something for them, don't easily give in to that. Also, avoid saying a plain no. This could disappoint them. Instead, take this as the opportunity to further inculcate the savings habit into them. Ask them to put it in their wish list and encourage them to start saving for it. Number 3, involve them in the preparation of your household budget. By the time your child is over 7 years, you can start involving them in the preparation of the household budget. For starters, prepare a budget and take your child grocery shopping. And while you are at it, ask them to keep a tab on the said budget and see to it that they are not buying unnecessary items. This will help them understand how to set priorities and avoid unnecessary expenditure. Next, give them commissions. In their teenage years, children tend to develop goals to buy something substantial for themselves, a mobile phone or maybe a PlayStation. In order to help them achieve this goal, you can start giving them pocket money or commission every time they undertake a major household task such as paying the electricity bill or maybe washing clothes. Lastly, introduce them to insurance. Right when your child is young, introduce them to the concept of insurance. Tell them why you took a certain insurance policy and how it is going to help them when the time comes. Explain them how, for example, having a health insurance policy will relieve you from an unanticipated financial burden and that a hospitalization may even create. Gradually introduce them to different types of insurance policies so that by the time they are in their 20s, they have become insurance smart.
Well, the general belief is that the child's conduct reflects the way of his or her parents. Unless you yourself do not practice what you preach, you cannot expect your children to do an amazing job with money. Even if you might not have made money mistakes in the past, it is alright if you have made so as long as you have learned from them, right? Be sure to avoid them in the future. What is the age of your child? Are you going to apply these tips for them? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned and take care.